In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to practice square breathing. Square breathing is a wonderful calming and relaxation technique that you can use anytime you're feeling angry or upset. My name is Valerie, and I'm a licensed clinical social worker in the state of Colorado, and I help couples who struggle with conflict stop fighting and start communicating. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you one of my go-to soothing, calming, and relaxation tools, and that's called square breathing. Square breathing is a great tool to have in your toolkit because it combines both deep breathing, which is all about relaxing the body, and focused distraction, which is all about calming the mind. Square breathing is really simple. To do square breathing, all you have to do is inhale for a count of 4, hold that breath for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 4, and hold for a count of 4. That's our square right there with square breathing. So I'm going to walk you through some square breathing, and I'm going to have you breathe along with me just to get some good practice. So take a deep breath, let it out, calm your body, and let's start our square breathing. So inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to have you do it with me one more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold that breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. You've got it. That's square breathing. So shake it off and notice your body. Just spend a couple seconds tuning in. Check to see, are you feeling a little more relaxed? Has your breathing slowed down? Tune into your body and see how square breathing has affected you. Now, when it comes to square breathing, I normally recommend that if you're using it when you're upset, to do 4 rounds or 4 squares, right? So go through the square 4 times. When we practiced, we did it twice. I suggest doing it 4 times just because it's easy to remember. 4 by 4, square breathing. Square breathing is something that you can practice every day. It feels good, it's relaxing, it feels good to do, but it also helps you remember what you need to do when you really need it. So I recommend that people practice square breathing maybe in the morning when you're sitting in your car on the way to work or right before you get home. It's a great way to get that skill down and to make sure that you really know how to use that tool in your toolkit. So that is square breathing. Again, simple, straightforward, something that anybody can use. So if you're ever feeling upset or angry, or especially if you need to take a break during the middle of a fight, go do some square breathing. Calm your body, calm your mind. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to our channel, like our video, share it with your friends. And if you were breathing along with me, I want you to drop a comment below and tell me how it felt. What did you notice about your body when you were doing square breathing? Well, I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.